So now it's we're getting down to the nitty-gritty. Got tape and plastic here. This is just regular painter's plastic. You can get it from any hardware store. And this is 1.5 inch and 3/4 inch yellow 3M tape. You just need tape that's going to stick really well. We're going to cover the inside of the Jeep. Everything that is not the floor is going to get covered in plastic. So we're going to cover the dashboard, the center console, the wires that are on the side with the seat belts, even the plastic side pieces that are on either side of the Jeep. All that's getting covered because it doesn't need to be sprayed with bed liner. So let's jump into it and get this thing covered. All right, we're in the vehicle. We're going to start wrapping it with plastic and getting all of the stuff taped up that we don't want covered in bed liner. So we're going to start at the front of the vehicle and we're going to work our way around. And if you need a more detail-oriented version of how we cover and tape and plastic, we'll have a link for you to click on so you can go and watch that. But we're going to get this covered so we can get it sanded and get it shot. All right, got the pedal covered. Let's get this brake pedal done. Wrap a piece of tape up top.